Okay, this is just a quick demonstration for using this 3D printed tool to make a folded binding. And this will work on just about any mask where you're using some kind of binding, either just for the ties or if you're using it to put the mask together itself. So to do this, I'm just going to take this 2-inch strip of fabric. I'm going to just roughly sort of feed it in here. This fabric has a little less body than what I've been using. This is just an old bedding sheet, so it's a little bit more difficult. But once you get it into that point, you can just use some kind of object to push it a little bit further. And once you get it to where you can pull it, either pull it with your fingers, or if you have some tweezers, that might be better. And just pull it until you can get it kind of straightened out. Make sure that these are still going in the proper place here. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to get started with your iron. And you're just going to press this as it comes out. Now, if you hit it with your iron, it will melt. But unless you just really leave it there, it'll be fine. I actually like to do little bits at a time because there we go. I didn't think this was necessarily a difficult task, but once I started doing it this way, it just, like I said, if nothing else, it's just sort of fun. Oops, accidentally. Okay, so once you get that done, you can just come back in and just fold it once and press that, and you have your binding. Okay, now if you are going to be printing this part, it's a very easy part to print. Obviously, you print it this way. I used a coarse resolution. I used 0.3 millimeters for the layer height, and that's with the 0.4 millimeter nozzle. And no support is necessary. What little bit of overhang there is right here is fully supported by the layers. I used 3 walls, and I believe you might be able to get by with just 2. But with 3 walls, 3 top and bottom layers, and really low infill, it took me 48 minutes to print each one. If you have an enclosed printer where you're capable of higher speeds, you should be able to print that even faster.